In this video, I'll show you how to install ProtonVPN on Arch Linux. Before we get started, if you're looking for a reliable VPN at a great price, there's a link below where you can try NordVPN with a really good deal. It's worth checking out if you want something polished, fast, and easy to use across all your devices. In the past, ProtonVPN existed in different forms in third-party repos, but those have been cleaned up as better maintained options became available. To install ProtonVPN on Arch Linux, you need to know the correct package name. Finding the name is just as important as the install itself. You can search for it using Yay or Peru by typing something like Yay ProtonVPN or Peru ProtonVPN. That's how you can see what's currently available and maintained for Arch-based systems. Once you have the right package name, you install it using sudo pacman s followed by that name. After installation, you launch the app, log in with your Proton account, enter your password, and connect. The free tier gives you access to a limited number of servers, while the rest of the locations and features are part of the paid plans. Once connected, your traffic is routed through the VPN, and you're good to go. That's basically it for installing and using ProtonVPN on Arch Linux. Take some time to understand what a VPN can do for you and choose the service that makes the most sense for your setup. And once again, if you want an easy, well-supported option with a great deal, don't forget to check the link below to try NordVPN.